Good morning, everybody. Happy Sunday morning here from St. Louis, Missouri. We had a bad windstorm go through last night, but everything's okay. I am testing a WPC PowerDriver board, which I referred to as the burn victim. It had a transistor go supernova, and I had to do some creative cleanup and trace repair to get this baby back in action again. And there were a couple of hacks on the back side of the board, so I repaired those as best I can. That'll clean up a little bit more once I clean the board. And then there was a trace hack on the back of the board, and I'll get rid of that solder flux that's left over before I ship this out. But I wanted to show that it's operating. I am testing at the same time a CPU that was just sent in for NVRAM installation. It's from an Indiana Jones. So let's put it into test. Actually, we are already there. So we can test switch edges, I guess, since I'm testing both of them. Let's see. I'm going to go across the diagonal. And that is working perfectly. Solenoid test, get it into run. Ten was one of them that I had repaired, so it's good to see that running, and so is 8. So those are working just fine. GI test. Excellent. We'll do lamps and flashers at the same time. It's one of the nice things about this WPC DMD ROM is that it tests all the circuits in order versus if you had a game ROM in there, which only tests, of course, the devices that are actually wired in the game. So this thing is good to go. Let's get it back to bookkeeping. And where is my little programmer? Here it is. My little Arduino hack. I'm going to connect it to power. And then I am going to connect the drive system to the direct switch inputs. Got a flashing red light, which tells me that I can begin auto entry of some data. So I press it once. And from here on out, we are on autopilot. So I'll just let this run and enter in my data. Thanks for sending both of these boards.